Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use iGlobe CRM, a Microsoft 365 app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. iGlobe CRM is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. iGlobe CRM runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we will learn how to administrate company values. First, let's have a look at how to administrate and edit drop-down menus categorized under the tab Field. If you are starting from the CRM home side, go to the Company section and choose the company you want to administrate from the company list. Just click on the company name and select Edit in the top ribbon. When you open the Basic tab, you can manage all sections under Field. In this case, the segmentation drop-down lists. You can edit the choice of segment, status, and priority as you wish. In order to edit drop-down lists, you have to click on Admin on the right side of the screen. Then select Field and Company. Scroll down and choose the section you want to edit among the items that are marked with Choice. Once you click on the item you want to modify, you will see the description and the list of choices, where you can edit existing choices or add new ones on a separate line. In order to save and see your changes, you have to click on OK and refresh the browser. If you go to the home page and open again the company profile, the new edits will now be visible in the drop-down list. If you want to edit the status and priority drop-down lists, the procedure is the same. Go to Admin, choose Field and Company. Find the columns you want to edit, save, and refresh your browser. If you want to administrate the drop-down lists in the Company Info tab, you have to choose the company concerned and select Edit. Go to Company Info and see the drop-down lists within this section. If you want to edit drop-down lists, you have to go to Admin, choose Field, and choose Company. Then you will have to select the item you want to edit, which will be labeled with Choice, and proceed to modify or type in new values in a separate line. The final steps are to click on OK and go to the home page to refresh the browser. Now the new value appears in the column. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!